In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a squeeze page in ClickFunnels 2.0. Squeeze pages are an essential tool for any online marketer looking to grow their email list and generate leads effectively. Now let's get started with this easy and straightforward process. First, you need to log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the Funnels section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll want to click on Create Funnel, which will guide you through the initial setup. When prompted, choose lead generation as your funnel goal. This is crucial because selecting the right goal will optimize your funnel for capturing leads more effectively. After this, you'll need to give your funnel a name. Choose something descriptive that reflects your campaign or offer, as this will help you easily identify it later. Finally, click Create Funnel to bring your funnel to life. With your new funnel set up, it's time to add a landing page that will serve as your squeeze page. To do this, click on Add Step. You'll notice a variety of options become available, but you're going to select either opt-in page or landing page. Both are designed for gathering visitor information, but opt-in pages might have more specific templates tailored for quick conversions. Once you've made your selection, you'll be presented with an array of templates to browse through. Take your time here to find a design that really aligns with your brand and the offer you're presenting to your audience. A well-matched template will not only save you time, but also increase the chances of your visitors engaging with the page. After choosing a template, you're ready to move on to what might be the most important part of this process: customizing your page. Personalization is key to catching and keeping the attention of your audience, so dive in and make the page your own. Start by updating headlines to speak directly to your target audience's needs and pain points. Be clear and compelling in your messaging. Next, adjust the images to ensure they resonate with your brand style and the offer you're promoting. Images should not only enhance the design, but also serve to support your overall message. Don't forget to fine-tune the call to action elements on the page. This is where you'll place the opt-in form for visitors to submit their email addresses. Make sure it stands out and is easy to use. A helpful tip is to test various CTAs to see which ones convert the best. Sometimes a slight tweak in wording or color can make all the difference in performance. And lastly, ensure your page is mobile-friendly. Many internet users access content through mobile devices, so a responsive design can greatly improve user experience and conversion rates. Overall, creating a squeeze page in ClickFunnels 2.0 is about setting clear lead generation goals, selecting the right template, and customizing your page to fit your audience perfectly. With these steps, you should be well on your way to effectively capturing leads and making your sales funnel as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy funnel building!